This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a clean export from Chrome so nothing is lost. First, confirm Chrome Sync is active and signed into your Google account. This ensures latest data. Next, open Bookmark Manager and export bookmarks to an HTML file. Save it where you'll find it. If you need passwords, export them to a CSV file. Be mindful of security and delete the CSV after importing. Once you have those files, install or open Firefox and move to the import step. Now bring Chrome's data into Firefox using its import tools. Choose Library Bookmarks Import and Backup import data from another browser. If Chrome is installed, pick Chrome for direct transfer. If you exported files, choose Import from HTML for bookmarks and use the Logins Import option for CSV passwords. After import, scan bookmarks, check login entries, and reconcile duplicates. Make sure autofill and history moved correctly. This is the detailed step, where you can finish by turning on Firefox Sync so your imported data stays current across devices. Sign in or create a Firefox account, then toggle Sync for bookmarks, passwords, open tabs, and history. This pushes your data to Mozilla's servers. Next, sign into Firefox on a second device and verify items appear. Give it a minute to sync. If something didn't transfer, check the CSV headers and enable the advanced login import preference, or retry importing directly from Chrome. Make sure to securely delete any exported CSV when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.